You've heard of Bitcoin, right? That decentralized digital currency taking the world by storm. But have you ever heard of Beam? It's often mentioned in the same breath as Bitcoin, but are they actually the same thing? Let's dive in and find out. Now, on the surface, Beam and Bitcoin might seem similar. They're both cryptocurrencies, meaning they use cryptography for security. Both allow for peer-to-peer transactions, cutting out the middleman like banks. And both aim to offer an alternative to traditional financial systems. But here's the catch: Beam is not just another Bitcoin. It's built on a fundamentally different technology. Bitcoin, as you probably know, utilizes blockchain technology. It's a public ledger where all transactions are recorded for everyone to see. Beam, on the other hand, operates on a different beast, Mimblewimble. Now, before your eyes glaze over, let me break it down. Mimblewimble is a cryptographic protocol designed to enhance privacy and scalability. Think of it like a magician's trick. It hides the details of transactions while still maintaining the security and transparency that blockchain offers. Key differences. So, how does this translate to real-world differences? Here are a few key distinctions. Privacy: Bitcoin transactions are traceable, although measures like mixing services can obfuscate them. Beam, thanks to Mimblewimble, offers much stronger privacy by default. Your transactions are virtually untraceable, giving you more control over your financial data. Scalability: Bitcoin's blockchain can get congested, leading to slower transaction speeds and higher fees during peak times. Mimblewimble, with its more efficient design, aims to address these scalability issues, allowing for faster and cheaper transactions. Mining: Bitcoin mining is a computationally intensive process that consumes a significant amount of energy. Beam, while still requiring mining, has a more energy-efficient consensus mechanism, making it more environmentally friendly. Is Beam right for you? So, should you use Beam instead of Bitcoin? Well, it depends on your priorities. If privacy is paramount, Beam is a clear winner. Its enhanced privacy features provide a higher level of financial freedom and security. If you're concerned about environmental impact, Beam's more energy-efficient mining process might make it a more appealing choice. If you prioritize ease of use, Bitcoin might have a slight edge in terms of user-friendliness and widespread adoption. Beam is not a Bitcoin wallet. It's a separate cryptocurrency with its own unique features and advantages. While both offer exciting possibilities for the future of finance, they cater to different needs and priorities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.